Hello, hi everybody. Myself Ramesh. Welcome back to our discussion topic. Today topic is about COVID-19 related test. What are the different tests to related to COVID? We will think here that what are the different tests I was mentioned here and the different tests for the COVID-19, and we look in brief introduction of the various tests. What are the applications? How that major role? What are the parts in COVID-19 to detection of the grading or the how much curious to these things you will be find out these things. And you can see these 10 are the very important tests, like the CBC test and the renal function test, random blood sugar test and the LDH test and D-dimer test and IL-6 and CRP test and the HR CT scans and RT-PCR and rapid antigen test. These are the 10 are the very important tests present you can find out in COVID-19, and you can detect the how much COVID that virus coronavirus infected our body. These are the tests for important for the grading of our disease. We can see that first one you can talk about the CBC, complete blood count or the complete blood picture. Again you can look into the depth. Again the 5 parts you can see the RBC, WBC, platelets and hemoglobin and hematocytes. These are the 5 you can find out. You can get the result from the complete blood picture of our counts or the complete blood picture. You can see that briefly we'll talk about that what is the RBC means nothing but of red blood cell. Simply we'll call as the erythrocytes count. The test is important for the hemoglobin, how carry the oxygen of our body tissues. These are the very important for to, and the how that RBCs carry the oxygen from lungs to our rest of our body. And what are the normal range I was mentioned here. Just you'll see here what are the normal range of these things, and you can find out from here. Okay, you can next we look for that white blood cells. Simply we call as WBCs and leukocytes. Like there are the also very important role in the immunity system to involve to protecting of our body. If is the foreign any infectious virus or bacteria will be entering to our body, they will fight as the against, and this is mainly responsible for the immune system. And again if you look into the depth studies of that WBC, again they are the 5 parts. You can look into the neutrophils and lymphocytes and the eosinophils and monocytes and basophils. What are the neutrophils? Neutrophils mean nothing but of a response immunity system or acute neutrophils count. You can see that normal white blood cells are generally about the 4000. I was mentioned here that how much range are there here, and you can see that what are the table. From table you can find out I was mentioned here. You can see that what are the important parts of the white blood cells are the WBC and the normal range and a percentage conversion of table. You can think that what are the again details. You can go to into that T cells and B cells are so important part in the lymphocytes. Lymphocytes are the T helper cells and some B cells secretion of antibody. What is the range of these things you can find out from here this table. Okay, and you can look that what is the lymphocyte or major role. Lymphocytes also one of the major role. That lymphocyte has a natural killer cells. Again you can see into the T cells and B cells in that part of the lymphocytes. T cells means nothing but of helper cells. B cells is secretion of antibody. T cells are involved in that cell mediated to immunity, and where the B cells are the primary responsible for the human immunity related to antibodies. This is the range 8800 to 5000 or 0.82. This is the normal range of the white blood cells of lymphocyte. And next we will talk about the platelets. Platelets also one of the major role to detect or to test our the body. You can find out that how our blood to stop or to bleeding. So it's which the platelets which help to our body to clot blood, our blood to clot and stop the bleeding. So these platelets are the thrombocytes, or a small color of the cell fragment to our body. The platelets are made up of the marrow of the sponge like structure. This is that 1,50,000 to 4,50,000 actual the range of our bloods of the platelets. You can look into that next one, hemoglobin also nothing but of this is red blood cells that carry the oxygen from our lungs to the rest of our body. And you can see that what are the percentage of the hemoglobin can find out. Next we will see that HCT nothing but of hematocrit. This is the measurements how much the blood is made up of red blood in our blood. These things is the percentage of red blood cells in personal 100 milliliter of this is a male and female range I was mentioning here. Next we'll talk about the how what is the use of this one. So from that CBC or the complete blood picture or complete blood count, you can find out that how much that infection of our body and our various immunity system and pneumonia diseases you can find out, or what are the cancer, blood cancer, like that. What is the result you will be find out. Result you can find out abnormal red blood cells and hemoglobin, what the immunocyte levels had indicated pneumonia or something, or low weight cells or the high blood cells, what are the infection or medications you can find out from here. So another one important test is the kidney function test. You can find out that renal function test. In now coronavirus, it will be effect on the kidney also. So you can from that you can to knowing to renal function test or the RFT test, kidney function test. The renal function test to measure the level of various substance including the electrolyte lights and proteins and minerals and glucose like sugars present in that body. They evaluate the current status of kidney and the liver function test LFT. There are the two types. You can go into that ACR means albumin to creatinine ratio like kidney function, and the GFR means glomerular filter rate, my kidney disease. This is the like the deciliter of the normal blood cells 7 to 20 milligram for of urea. If you are that burns like blood and urea nitrogen test are the more than the 20 milligram per deciliter, our kidney may be in not working in full strength. So this is the range of I was mentioned here. You can find out from here to renal function test what is that kidney levels. Next will another one, you can see that what is the range of blood urea, and this is a table also. You can find out the normal values of that range I was mentioned here blood. And next one, this is a kidney function. What is the main function of kidneys? Filter the blood and regulate the concentration of hydrogen, sodium and potassium, and these things will be do the kidney function. Next one topic is the RBS like sugar levels. This is also one of the major role in the corona treatment. You can see that random blood sugars and the random blood glucose. It shows that glucose level in the our blood, how much glucose levels are present in that blood. You can find out from RBS test. So blood sugars levels are less than the 140 milligram per DL means it is normal. If the reading to more than 200 milligram per DL, then it after the 2 hours it indicates the diabetes. So reading of the 140 to 199 milligram, this is the indicator of the pre-diabetic. These things you will be find out from the RBS, how much our blood levels in our sugar levels. You can find out this acid dehydrogenase test. This is also very important, and you can think here, you can see here our lactic acid dehydrogenase test. You can enzymes required to during the process of turning the sugar into the energy. So what is that? Our sugar will convert into the energy. That is the main function of the LDH. So LDH is present in many kinds of the organs or tissues throughout the body, including the liver, hearts, pancreas and the kidneys, skeletal muscles and lymphoid tissues and blood cells. When that illness is injured, damage our cell, the LDH may be related into the bloodstream, causing the level of LDH in your blood rises. These are the low level and high level of the LDH things you will be find out from various functions. So next one, see that D-dimer test. D-dimer test also is very important for nowadays. The D-dimer test main concept is to protein fragment, that is that a small protein piece that made when the blood clot dissolve in our body. So it is used to deep vein thrombosis, simply DVT, the blood clots that deep inside the vein and into the happen in the lower like legs. The pulmonary embolism like PE is back cage on the artery in the lungs. These usually happen when the blood clots in another part of the body breaks and lose the travel of the lungs. The disease disseminate and intravascular collectiveness. These conditions are that cause too many blood clots in too far. So Stokes back cage is the blood supply of our to blood supply to the brains, that is called Stokes. You can see D-dimer test. You can see that leg pain and the leg swelling and red breaks after these are symptoms of these things. And you can see the normal range of the D-dimer consider has less than 0.5. If is positive, D-dimer is the 0.5 greater. So that if you think if you get the D-dimer test value is the 0.50 like 0.50, then you are being normal in good condition your blood levels. Suppose if you greater than 0.50, so that is the positive, the chances have they to your blood clot. So some foods or another substance may be act as the natural blood thinner, so it help to reduce the risk clots and including the following list. You can see that turmeric, ginger, vitamin E, garlic and carcinia, cinnamon. These are the normal food. You can be make our blood into the thinner levels. Okay, drink the water thoroughly. It is also help to our blood thinner. The nutrients meat like egg may be conspired with the gut of bacteria to make the blood more prone to the clot. So these are the some tablet are mentioned here. Pramaxilin, Diagran, these are the tablets you can use for the blood thinner medicines. Blood thinner medicines nowadays available in market. You can get into the from market also. Next will sixth one is very important. This is the for IL-6 and this is the one of the immunity measurement test. The IL-6 also how much our body is having the immunity, you can find out from here. IL-6 values, yeah, I was mentioned here the range, and we will talk about that IL range, that how that work and biomarker. This one of the biomarker for the COVID-19 phenomena, and the cut of the points of I was mentioned here. High serum of IL-6 and that what are the using of this IL-6, how to mention this IL-6, what are the antidotes, you can find out from here that IL-6 values. Okay, next we will see that CRP test, that this is also one of the important test for the C-reactive proteins. The C-reactive proteins test measure the level of our reactive proteins in our blood. CRP is protein made by our liver, so it's sent to that our bloodstream into the response to the inflammation. So inflammation of your body way to protecting our tissues if you have been to injured or if infection. So this higher than the normal CRP levels does not necessarily means by your medication condition need treatment. This is that CRP. The CRP other factor also it is there. You can see that cigarette smoking, obesity and lack of exercise. So you can see that the standard CRP test normal range I was mentioned here less than the 10 milligrams per liter. That is the normal CRP values. If you see the test result showing that CRP level greater than the 10 milligram per liter, it is sign that our serious infection. So these things you can find out, and you can like chronic disease or which you are like to require further testing to detection of our cause. You can see that what are the CRP levels, the range of that. You can see hypertension and what are that levels of 3 milligram to our that middle level of hypertension, how you will form these things. You can see lower risk what. Next one thing, the test is the HRCT. This is also very important. High resolution computer topography scores. This is you can see that how much your lungs will affect. You can find out from here. So this is used for the one of the diagnostic of non-laboratory test. This one various health problems throughout the commonly the lung disease by accessing the lung phenomena or the pulmonary fibrosis. If you are lung fibrosis, then you can find out from here how much your lungs will be affected, how much your lungs will damaged. You can find out from this part. You can see here the HR test is another way to determine the presence of viral infection in the body. You may get that how right now. You can see that here range also I was mentioned here. 0% no infection, 8% means low and slight and moderated, and you can see that here how much percentage of I can mention. And next one see ESR. ESR also is one of that test for to blood test to measure the how quickly erythrocytes or red blood cells settle in the bottom of your test tube that is contain the blood sample. Normally the red blood cells settle relatively slowly. Faster than the normal rate may indicate the inflammation of your body. So this is the part you can find out from here. Inflammation is the part of the your immune response system. It can be reaction in the infection or the injury. You can find out from here. This is the test for that. And what are the use of this test I can mention also here. You can see that you are also. Then you can see here what is the range of ESR. ESR is the range of 22 to like these things, and what are the range of the prepare and what food you can be reduce the ESR values. And finally I was mentioned here, this is very important. You can understood the final table the RBC normal range you can keep in your mind, and you can see that any report you can easily access. Thank you for watching. Like, share.